Today, we're diving into one of Excel's most powerful features, conditional formatting. Whether you're managing a budget, analyzing sales data, or just trying to keep track of tasks, conditional formatting can help you quickly identify trends, outliers, and important data points. Let's jump right into it. Let's start with a common problem: finding duplicates. Imagine you're managing a customer email list and want to ensure there are no duplicates before sending out a campaign. Here's how you do it. First, select the range of cells with the data. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon, click Conditional Formatting, highlight cells rules, then Duplicate Values. Choose a format like red fill with dark red text and click OK. In seconds, Excel highlights all duplicates in your list. You can now decide how to handle them. Now, let's say you're analyzing monthly sales figures and want to quickly spot high-performing regions. A color scale is perfect for this. First, select your data range. Next, go to Conditional Formatting, Color Scales. Choose a preset like the green, yellow, red scale. Red represents the highest values, green the lowest, and yellow is in between. It's a great way to visually compare performance at a glance. Imagine you're managing a project and tracking task statuses. Icons can make it super easy to see what's completed, in progress, or overdue. First, select your task status column. Next, click Conditional Formatting, then Icon Sets. Choose a set, like traffic lights. To customize, click Manage Rules and Edit Rule. Set thresholds like completed equals green, in progress equals yellow, overdue equals red. With this setup, you can instantly see where to focus your attention. Next, let's say you're filtering through survey responses and want to highlight cells containing specific keywords like urgent. First, select the range of cells. Next, go to Conditional Formatting. Highlight cells rules and text that contains. Enter the keyword, such as urgent. Pick a format and click OK. This makes it easy to prioritize and respond to critical feedback. Deadlines can sneak up on you, but conditional formatting can help you stay ahead. Let's highlight tasks due within the next 7 days. First, select the date range. Next, click Conditional Formatting. Highlight cells rules and select between. Enter into the first field, equals today, open and close parentheses. And in the second field, enter equals today, open and close parentheses, and then +7. Choose a format, like yellow fill with dark yellow text, and click OK. Now, any deadlines within the next week will stand out so you can plan accordingly. What if you want to highlight entire rows based on one column's value? For example, flagging all orders above $1,000. First, go to Conditional Formatting, Manage Rules, and select New Rule. Then select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter this formula, equals $C2, then greater than 1,000. Set your desired format and click OK. Select the Applies to field and highlight the entire data set. If you select Apply, you can see the formatting appear where the value is greater than 1,000 and the entire row will be formatted. You may also just click OK, but this allows you to confirm you've entered the appropriate formula before exiting the Manage Rules dialog window. Finally, let's talk about data bars, which are great for visualizing progress or comparisons directly within cells. First, select your range. Next, go to Conditional Formatting, then Data Bars. Choose a style, like gradient fill or solid fill. Now you've got an instant bar chart embedded in your spreadsheet, making progress tracking effortless. And that's it for today. Conditional formatting is a game changer whether you're managing tasks, analyzing data, or staying on top of deadlines. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments which hack was your favorite, or if there's a topic you'd like me to cover next.